These car modification videos are going extremely viral on social media right now. Watch what I personally created with AI in just 5 minutes. But before we jump in, around 83% of you watching still haven't subscribed. Hit that subscribe button right now. It's completely free and helps the channel huge. No time wasted, let's break down how you can create these for completely free. I've created a master prompt that generates both unique build ideas and detailed production prompts. First, copy the master prompt from the description, head over to ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit send. ChatGPT will instantly generate 10 lists of iconic car names from well-known brands worldwide. Pick the one that feels the most visually stunning, copy it, and send it. ChatGPT will instantly produce a fully detailed prompt, copy everything without leaving anything out. Open Google Flow, select video mode, choose OmniFlash as your model, and set your duration to 10 seconds. Paste the prompt block in, hit generate, and within seconds, your complete car modification video will be completely ready to go viral. Now watch another one I created using the exact same method. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.